Mama, come.
In today's video, we'll be making these cute Easter egg themed earrings. First is remove the cutouts on these foam stickers. See, they have a design and cutout designs, so we're going to remove those. Step is to pull the sticker off the back, the sticky, or the, whatever. Press the sticker firmly down onto the felt. I'm going to be doing both of them. Pull the sticker backing off the back. Press firmly the sticker down onto the felt. And then we're going to be cutting the excess off. And you can see how the color, the blue felt that I picked, shows through punch-out designs on it. I think it looks really cute. Punch a hole in the top and the bottom. Larger jump ring, the 6mm one, thread it on, close it up. 6mm or another 6mm jump ring, and we're going to be putting this on the bead dangle. Don't do that. Oh gosh, having some struggles here. All right, remove, start over, take this jump ring off. That's sad. I'm no professional at this. I just get my little bit of time when I want to craft and come in and do what I can. Hopefully having this channel can make it so I can have a really good excuse to come back here and do it more. Now that's better. Closed up a bit better. Okay. Very cute. Okay, open up the loop on the ear wire. Open. Yeah, first one. Except for now it's hanging funny. Now the reason why it's hanging funny is we've got a jump ring going this way through it, and then we've got the loop here, and so it wants to hang like this. So in order for me to get it to hang straight, I've got to have another jump ring connected to a smaller one right here. So I am going to get some more tinier jump rings to connect directly to the ear wires. I think these will be even smaller. 2mm, they might be. Guess you can comment and let me know what size you think these are. I'm just making a guess. To your how do you say it? Subscribe to my channel, like this video, all the stuff that I need to be saying. Okay, now it's gonna hang way better. See that? So we have what I think is a 2mm connected to the 6mm, and then at the bottom I think this is a 4mm to a 6mm. And there you go. Isn't that lovely? I think it's so cute. Okay. We'll just open up this 2mm and connect the ear wire and the earring together. Earring base. And there you go. go. There it is, all finished. Aren't those cute? It'd be so perfect for Easter. Little girls will love wearing these, my little girls. Thanks for watching. Oh, and in case you didn't know, this is my first video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my Distracted Crafter channel.